Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If Huntsmart app is not working on your mobile, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till then, follow my step to fix the problem. First, when you're facing this problem, then go to the Play Store and search here Hunt app and check for the update. If update is available, then update your app first and check the problem. The second is long press on the Hunt app smart app and then go to the app information and then go to the permissions and allow camera and allow location. After doing this step, check the again problem. If it persists, then check internet problem, then check internet is working properly or not. And the next step is again long press on the hand app and go to the app info and then go to the storage and cache. Once clear cache and once clear storage. After doing this step, check again the problem. If it persists, then next is long press on app and go to the app info. Now uninstall the app and reinstall. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.